Today I am going to show you how we can shut down APU in Boeing 787. We'll open the maintenance data page of APU and we'll check there should be no unnecessary load on the electrical system. This on air conditioning panel we'll check pack should be off, emergency light should be off, and IRS should be off, and then after we can switch off the APU. When we switch off the APU, this cool down will come on the APU maintenance data page and as well on the advisory also. See here APU cool down, and when you are shutting down the APU, just make sure that there should be no air ground message on status page, otherwise this ISFD will get power from the hot battery bus and your battery will get drained. So just make sure about it, and once cooldown period finish, the shutdown will come on epoch mode and cooldown will disappear from the advisory page. And now you can see here shutdown is there and this APU door command is open. Once it reach around 15, APU door command is closed, and around 9 or 10 11 RPM this APU door is fully closed and epoch mode will come idle. See, now it's idle. Now you can switch off the APU, battery. Now you can switch off the battery. Now it will take some time to disappear all the screens, so just make sure everything will off, and now it's done. At last just check towing power should be off.